What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you or will be discussing with you which one is better, Binance or OKX. So if you're deciding between these two platforms here, either OKX or Binance, well, there are a number of things that you may want to know. So let's start with OKX. Now, if you're the kind of crypto trader who's deep into derivatives, DeFi, or Web3 tools, OKX might just be your style here. It's a globally recognized exchange that's built a strong reputation, especially for its derivatives trading platforms. Now, we're talking about features like perpetual futures, options, and margin trading that are not only advanced but also easy to use once you get the hang of it. Now, but OKX isn't just about trading here. It's also expanding into the Web3 ecosystem. So if you're into things like NFTs, decentralized apps or apps or crypto apps here, it has tools for that too. It even comes with its own Web3 wallet, giving you the ability to manage DeFi assets right from the platform. That makes OKX a solid pick for users who want more than just basic trading. Now, it's also almost like a bridge between traditional crypto exchanges and the decentralized world. Now, when it comes to fees, OKX is pretty competitive here. Spot trading fees start at 0.08% for makers and a 0.10% for takers, and you get better rates the more you trade. That's actually slightly lower than the Binance base rate here. So if you're trading frequently or moving high volumes, OKX might save you some money. Now let's move over to Binance here. Now, Binance, in our case here, is the world's largest exchange for trading volumes. It offers a little bit of everything, whether you want to trade spot, futures, margin, stake your crypto, lend it, farm it, or just buy crypto with a credit card. It's all there. Now, the user interface is beginner friendly, but the platform itself is powerful enough for advanced users too. Binance even has its own ecosystem: Binance Smart Chain, BNB token, Launchpad, NFTs, you can actually name it. Now, on fees, Binance charges a 0.10% for spot trades, but you can get a discount by using their native BNB token, bringing your costs down even more. So while the base fees might seem slightly higher than OKX, regular users often end up paying less thanks to the discounts. Now, in this case, if you're a trader who values cutting-edge tools, especially in the derivatives or Web3 space, then OKX might be better fit here. It's lightweight, flexible, and more focused on the future of decentralized finance. But if you want a versatile all-around platform with massive liquidity, loads of features, and global reach, Binance remains the more dominant and comprehensive option here. Ultimately, both are excellent choices here, but it just depends on what kind of crypto experience you're after. But yeah, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.